Hi there and welcome back to my channel. John here from Romania, and as you already know, I like to talk about make money online and online entrepreneur. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing with the bell notification on. On the off chance that you don't prefer to pause and you need to get results quick or promptly, at that point this video is actually what you need. Since today, I will show you a completely free application that will pay you in a flash for nothing just to tap on email. So you can enlist for nothing, they will begin sending you messages, you click on those messages, and you quickly get paid. Furthermore, that is the reason this will be ideal for those that have never brought in any cash on the web. Since this requires no abilities, no selling, so you won't need to sell anything. No partner showcasing, no venture. Furthermore, it works in endless nations, including India, Pakistan, Philippines, United States, Canada, Bangladesh, Nigeria, UK, Australia, and then some other nations. Presently there's one regular error that most clients make. Also, in view of that one basic slip up, they can't bring in any cash, and the application doesn't work for them. So in the event that you need to figure out how to avoid that mistake, so as to make this work for you, at that point try to follow all the details from this video and remain until the end. So the principal thing you have to do before we get to the site that will pay you immediately for tapping on messages is you should make an email address. Presently, I surmise every one of you folks as of now have at any rate like one email address that you use. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you don't, you could simply utilize Gmail or Yahoo or Outlook or some other email administration you like. What's more, before we start the genuine instructional exercise, in the event that you'd like me to show you bit by bit, how you can assemble a genuine online business that can make you reliable, a groundbreaking salary, similar to we're not discussing several dollars per day, we're discussing an extraordinary pay couple of hundreds or now and again significantly over $1,000 per day. At that point this is the best and ideal opportunity to tap the principal connect in the portrayal down beneath. And join my program, since this one has been the greatest month ever around here, for me, yet for 90% of my understudies also, similar to the spike in income was an enormous for everybody, which implies this is the best and ideal opportunity to begin. What's more, no, don't stress, dislike unbelievable advertiser or any MLM fraudulent business model. What's more, it's not Shopify or something to that effect. It's an exceptional program that I have actually intended to assist you with bringing in large cash online without doing subsidiary promoting, without selling your own items, without demonstrating your face in the camera or anything of that nature. So by and by, that will be the principal connect in the depiction down beneath. Furthermore, in any case, we should simply return to the video. So your initial step would be simply to download Gmail or Yahoo or Viewpoint. You can simply download it to your smartphone. In case you're utilizing a smartphone. On the off chance that you're on a PC, at that point you can simply head toward, for instance, gmail.com and simply pursue completely free. The fact is, the progression number one is to only just to make an email address to join to any of those email suppliers and make an email represent totally free. As should be obvious, you can do as such by noting your first name, your last name, by making an extraordinary client name. Also, by making an exceptional secret key and afterward affirm a similar secret phrase and simply click next. What's more, that is it, you have a record, you have an email address. Furthermore, when you make an email address for completely free, you will approach this site. Be that as it may, let me simply show this. This resembles confirmation of income. What's more, you can see individuals from everywhere the world, from India, from Brazil, Sweden, Argentina, Venezuela, Brazil, target Mexico, Russia, Britain, indeed, Brazil, Philippines, Pakistan, etc. They're all being paid quickly. As should be obvious, these are their income each and every moment you get installments to individuals everywhere on the world. Presently you truly need to remain tuned until the finish of this video. So I will give you which bots you should stay away from to really begin bringing in cash for genuine. Supposing that you simply go directly to the site and you attempt to make sense of it all alone, at that point you will most likely commit an error and that this won't work for you. Or then again it will require some investment to make sense of what precisely should be finished. So I believe it's much better to simply stay with me. It's going to be truly fun cycle, and before the finish of this video, you will be prepared to begin bringing in cash and get paid immediately. So the site we're discussing here is a ClixGenie.com. ClixGenie.com here, as should be obvious, get paid to understand messages, and you can make up to 0.042 for each email you click on. So you click once you get paid, you click in addition to you get paid, etc. Furthermore, as should be obvious, it's a truly neighborly amicable interface. You will have the option to see, since I will sign into my record, so you can see precisely how it functions and precisely how to bring in cash with this. You have various gaining choices, so you can make like numerous surges of pay, since perusing messages is only one of the choices. When you have different levels commissions, so you can procure even much more cash where there's different levels payments, and it's truly secure. It's HomeSense secure, Ribbon Genie protected and secure to utilize. They utilize two-factor confirmation, and it's truly straightforward. All your income can be followed and checked inside your record region. What's more, presently obviously, the fundamental explanation we are utilizing ClixGenie is on the grounds that it's too quick, it pays in a split second. ClixGenie side burdens in under 1 second, ClixGenie is portable, agreeable and too quick, which implies you can introduce this application to your smartphone, you can utilize it from your telephone, and you can get paid right away. All installments incorporates Genie are moment you demand a payout, you're paid in minutes. What's more, that is truly made the site one of a kind. However, indeed, there's one slip up, which you should evade on the off chance that you need to make it work for you. So stay tuned to perceive what that is. Try not to go directly to the site. Also, you can consider that to be 1 penny is least payout. Your first least payout is only 1 penny. Also, it's moment, which is great since that requires only 2 clicks, and you get paid like you click twice, you get paid immediately. Numerous installment choices, you can get paid through Bitcoin or Ideal Cash instantly. So numerous installment alternatives, and you can get paid in a split second. Snaps Genie is 100% sheltered and secure, and more than 100,000 individuals are utilizing this site from everywhere the world. You can see evidence of income here by tapping on verifications button here. So essentially, you should simply approach ClixGenie.com and click register here. So you can make a completely free record. Furthermore, presently you will simply need to enter your username. So make something special, type some exceptional username here. At that point enter your email address, the one you have recently made, or your current email, your primary email address. It truly doesn't make a difference. In any case, that will be where you will get messages from ClixGenie, where you will simply need to tap on the email and you get paid in a split second. So simply answer that email address here, make a secret phrase, make something interesting and affirm, retype a similar secret word from here and allude. You can leave these clear. After that we'll simply need to acknowledge their terms of administration. What's more, you should acknowledge their security strategy, which you can peruse here. You can click here and you can click here to peruse and simply acknowledge it here. And afterward, in the event that you need to get some advertising correspondence from them, you can accept this case too and simply click register. When you do that you will get an email from ClixGenie. You need to tap on the enactment connect here, as should be obvious, dear, and afterward it will be your username here. If it's not too much trouble, click on the accompanying connect to complete your enlistment cycle. You should do this. You should open your email address. Also, you should tap on this connection here to enact your record. As should be obvious, activity effective, you will be diverted to the login page. Or on the other hand you will click I'm not a robot. Finish the activity, which is for this situation will be to tap on the traffic signals, click verify and simply sign into your record. So this is the manner by which the spick and span account will appear, as though you will have the option to follow your profit here. Furthermore, when you begin bringing in some cash, you can pull back your cash by tapping on the pull back cash here. So you simply click pull back, and you can get paid in a split second. Also, on the off chance that you have a few companions that would profit by this, on the off chance that you have a few companions that might want to bring in some cash on the web, at that point you can get your referral interface from here. How about we click copy? Also, that will duplicate your referral connection, and you can send it to a portion of your companions. What's more, in the event that they register for the ClixGenie, you're additionally going to bring in cash from that too. So some free additional salary which you can make while being on ClixGenie. Currently, here's the actually the most significant part and the slip up that presumably like all clients make when they please ClixGenie. They simply enlisted, they experienced their record, they initiated click on the connection and they activate their record. Also, they're simply sitting in that general area like standing by to begin bringing in cash. However, they won't begin bringing in cash except if they return to their email address. You should return to your Gmail Yahoo standpoint, only a login into your email. What's more, you will see the second email from ClixGenie, significant welcome to put Genie must peruse. So you have to tap on that email and you should follow these means that I've sent you. So this is what they instruct you to do. They instruct you to tap on these three specs here and to tap on add ClixGenie to contacts list. In any case, on the off chance that you do as such, in the event that you attempt to do that, you will likely not have the option to do it. You can discover a catch that says add associates Genie to contacts list. So this is what you need. This is what they don't let you know. You have to tap on these tabs, these 9 spots here, Google Apps, click on that. And afterward you need to discover contacts here. Snap on data will open up another page where you can see your Google contacts. What's more, presently here on the left hand side you will click create contact. This is ridiculously significant. Follow these means. On the off chance that you need to bring in cash from this, make a contact here. What's more, presently we'll have to enter their first name. Their first name will be Clicks and the second name, the last name will be Genie Shell composing Genie here. At that point you can enter the organization name on the off chance that you need to. What's more, you will simply need to include their email address. You will duplicate their email address which you can discover here, contact@clickgenie.com, and you will glue it here. Presently we can answer their telephone number on the off chance that you need to. If not, you can leave that clear and simply click save. What's more, that is it. Presently they will begin sending you messages, and everything you require to do, just tap on those messages and you will get paid, and you can follow your income here in ClixGenie. This is a pristine record, that is the reason it says 0. Yet once they begin getting messages and once they began tapping on those messages, I will be paid here and I can pull back my cash in a flash. Now, in case you're asking why they're really paying you, well, in light of the fact that once they send you an email, it's likely going to be some promotion and they're essentially simply parting the advertisement income with you, so both them and you will bring in some cash from that click on the grounds that different clients pay for those promotions. So it's a success-win circumstance and it's quite pretty virtuoso. With the goal, that's the means by which you can get paid in a flash from your telephone. Introduce the associates Genie, introduce Gmail, pursue completely free and begin bringing in cash. I trust you got some incentive out of this video. Also, on the off chance that you did, remember to drop a like to this video, leave an approval, and in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain to look around the channel and hit the subscribe button so you don't pass up any of the new substance. What's more, much obliged for viewing, and I will see you in a portion of the following recordings. John here from Romania. I wish you all the best.